Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about English learning. You know that English is important in present era. Most of the people in all countries in the world are willing to learn this language. You know that with the help of social media they can grow their talent, they can learn a lot of things, and they know that social media has come, social media is in their hand, and with the help of this social media they can communicate with other nationalities. In previous time there were no facilities of communication. People used to write letters to each others, and it takes months to reach or come back letter. In this way they were facing problems. If you write a letter to your friend that I am happy and healthy and hope you will be fine, then after 1 month this letter will reach to other person. Perhaps in this period you are when that person is reading your letter, you are falling ill or you are serious, but in the letter he is reading that you are fine and healthy. So today you can send your yourself to your friend in clicks, in one click, through the help of social media, because social media has given us tremendous opportunities to share our things, to share the news, to share our talent. Because right now you are seeing me, you are watching me on your screen, and I am discussing in English language. English is not my first language. I am speaking this language as a second language, and my accent is not good. However, I think that understandable. And if your accent is understandable, it's okay. No matter of accent. Try to speak in your own accent. In this way, you will feel ease while speaking or discussing. I am talking about that right now you are watching me on your cell phone or on YouTube. And if this social media would not come, if this social media would not have come, then how I will be able to show my talent in front of you, whatever talent is, although if I am speaking the broken English language, but I am showing myself to others. And if I did not get this opportunity, or if I don't get this opportunity, then how can I be able to make videos and upload on social media? So I think that social media has given open opportunities to everybody. In the previous time, it was the problem that you have the talent, but you lack the platform. You don't have the platform. In the previous time, this situation was that people had the talent, but they did not have the platform. So they were facing the problems, and talented people were neglected at that time. Right now, you are not neglected. If you have the talent, the opportunity is in your hand in the shape of cell phone. If you have the talent, make videos, show your talent in front of the masses. If your talent is good, you will go viral. And if you are good, gradually you will grow yourself in your talent. So I think that if you are willing to show your talent to the world, then you should make some kinds of videos. If you are talented making videos, if you know any skills, not I am talking about videos, any skills, if you are good in baking the things, you can make some good recipes or anything. If you are doing any other work, you are a good goldsmith, you are a good painter, you are a good carpenter, or any other job you are doing, you can show that your skills to the world with the help of social media. So I think that those people who are the extra knowledge or talent, those are getting the help from social media. And if some of your work is recognized all over the world, then you will get rewards also. So I think that right now we have no excuses about the things that I don't have the teacher, I don't have the platform from whom I can learn the English language. I think that social media is in your hand. Whatever query is coming in your mind, you can get the answer from social media. So many videos are uploaded, so many articles are there. You can search everything, you can find the replies of each and everything with the help of social media. If you want to get the reply in written shape, you can get the reply in written shape. If you want to get the reply in audio shape, you can get or receive lot of audios. If you are willing to watch videos, there are so many thousands, millions videos are uploaded on social media. You can watch the videos of your interest, the things of your interest. So you can't make the excuses right now. Only the thing that is most important is your talent, your ability. If you are eligible about anything, then you can show your talent, your eligibility in front of the masses in the whole world. So I think that if you are agree with my discussion, with my thinking, then give your feedback below in comment box that what special skill you have. And have you ever shared your skill on social media, or what other thinkings you have, how you are showing your skills, how you are selling your talent. Write down below in the comment box, give your feedback, your beautiful suggestions, so that we will make other videos according to your suggestions, because this is English learning channel, and I am sharing my old experience with you, that how I faced lot of problems in previous time. In previous time we did not have the facility of social media or internet. We were reading the books, we were doing our practice ourselves, and we at that time had no friend or family member with whom we could make the practice of English speaking. So we were lonely doing the practice. That is the reason that if we find at that time some friends with whom we could make practice, then right now we will be more fluent than this position. Hope that you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and before leaving, please subscribe to this channel so that you never miss our other videos. Please go to our playlist. There are other playlists. I have shared my story in one playlist. I have written so many letters around the world, and there are 50 or 80 videos uploaded on this channel where I have shared that story of letter writing. Because at that time, as I told you, that no facility of social media or internet was available, so I was doing the pen paling, and I was writing the letters on international level, and I was making pen pals around the world, and they were giving me replies. In this way I improved myself in English learning. I got an inspiration about learning English language, because other people were writing me letters, and their written letters were difficult. Then I thought that I should improve myself in English language. Then I started reading books and writing some articles or scripts, and I improved a little myself in English language. Allow me, and in next video I will talk about that. I will talk about on other topics. Thank you. Bye bye.